Hey, today we're going to go to Sonic. We're going to try that new strawberry shortcake snowball slush float. Boy, what a name. Sounds good. We'll get it and let you know how it is. All right, here we are. Got our strawberry shortcake snowball slush float. Boy, that is a name, isn't it? Whoa, that is good. Okay, this comes with strawberries, a flavoring of shortcake, whipped cream, sugar sprinkles, real strawberries in it, okay? Let's get this off here out of the way, okay? Look at that. Woo-wee. Does that look good? Real ice cream with sugar sprinkles on it. Look at this. Yep. See if I can get some out of the straw. Whoa. That is strawberry shortcake flavor, I'll tell you that. Let's get us a piece here with a spoonful with some strawberries in it. See that? You know, that is pretty good, you know. I'm kind of impressed. New item, Sonic. Now, Sonic uses real ice cream. Some of the other places use frozen soft serve, okay? You know, if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see if I can get it up here for you. It doesn't have to be Sonic. I go pretty much any place that I can get within driving range, okay? But you need to try this out. Man, this is good. Get the strawberries in it. Look at that. Whoa, see that? Look at that. I could probably do without the sprinkles on it, but they're okay. But it is a slush float. That's different. Whoa. You can taste the strawberry shortcake when you get through the straw. Man. Yeah, I like that. I'll have to say I like that. Yeah. As far as I can tell, there's no cake in it. It just has the flavoring, okay? But they say it has real strawberries. I haven't found a real strawberry yet, but little pieces in there, I think is what it is. Okay. Yeah, that is good. Look, nice little cup there. Sonic. All right, how are we going to rate this? On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being wow, 1 being toss it in the trash can, it's not worth eating. I'm going to give this a 4.5. I'm impressed. Now remember, these ratings are strictly my opinion. You may differ with me, that's fine. If you like it more, let me know. Comment. You like it less, leave me a comment. It's strictly up to you. I like comments. You want to tell me to go jump in the lake or just say hello? That's fine. I like comments. Leave me a comment down below. Look at that strawberry in there. Ooh. Okay, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist called Sonic. I also have one called Taste Test, has everything in it, but everybody has their own playlist. Sonic, Subway, Dairy Queen, whatever, okay? That is good. You got to try this. If you've tried it, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. If you haven't tried it, go try it. Let me know what you think, because it is good. Real ice cream, too. That's what I like about it. It comes with real ice cream and strawberries. Okay. I was saying thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. See you next time. But you all know me, I'm not through. I'm going to eat the rest of this thing. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, that is good. Ooh. The drink you get through the straw is kind of slushy, so that's where the slush comes from, I guess. Okay. And it is good. But I like that ice cream. Whoa. Real ice cream. That's the main thing. I like real ice cream. Frozen soft serve is good, but real ice cream. I think we'll get us an ice cream bite, and then we'll get a drink too. That's even better like that, because you get that strawberry flavor of the slush with the ice cream. And if you'll look right there, it's real ice cream, real strawberries. Okay, little bitty pieces look like. In case you can't tell, we're sitting here in the one of the stalls at Sonic. Okay, no sense in driving off. We'll eat it right here. Yeah, those sugar sprinkles on top. Not a big fan of that, but it certainly doesn't hurt the taste. It's good. See if we can get some of that drink with it. Whoa, look at the strawberry. Look at the little sprinkles on top. I guess maybe that's slush. Wow. The ice cream's even better when you get the slush, the strawberry slush down inside it with the ice cream, okay? That's where you get your strawberry shortcake flavor. Yeah. Man, this thing's good. And lots of ice cream in it. Look how much ice cream I got left in there. You believe that? Wow. Get a little more of that slush down in there. Yeah, it is a slush because it's kind of icy down in there, okay? The float is the ice cream in it. I think I need another drink. Wow. Yeah, I have to say that is good, okay? I think I'm getting brain freeze, or my tongue's beginning to get frozen here, so maybe having a little trouble talking. How many of you have had that brain freeze before? Try to eat this stuff too quick, you get that sometimes. Okay, well, we're going to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. My tongue's not working real good right now, but go check out our playlist, okay? A lot of them up there. And let me know what you want to see, okay? Leave me a comment, okay? Comments. I like comments, even if it's just to say hello, okay? Like and subscribe, and see you next time.